Do you want to get MM-MBA from universities both in Indonesia and Germany with a shorter time and more affordable cost? Kalbis Institute offers an MM-MBA double degree program in business strategy in collaboration with the International University of Applied Sciences, Germany. Studying MM-MBA double degree program allows you to keep your options open. You can build a depth of expertise and develop a broader range of skills in both fields. The MM-MBA double degree program can also unlock the opportunity to work at multinational companies. The recognition of your academic achievement from the International University of Applied Sciences, Germany will validate your competences. This program is 2 years faster to complete compared with taking the 2 degrees separately. And you will be awarded with 2 testimonials from Kalbis Institute and the International University of Applied Sciences, Germany. Experienced lecturers from both Kalbis Institute Jakarta and IU Germany will be involved in the teaching and learning process. Interestingly, you also have the opportunity to work on capstone, thesis, and events overseas. Let's see the alumni response about MM-MBA double degree program in business strategy, Kalbis Institute. Be part of the MM-MBA double degree in business strategy, Kalbis Institute, and develop your career at international level. Kalbis Institute, transforming hearts and minds.